In this video, we will be cleaning this tumbler and getting it ready to be shipped to the customer. It has been about a week since I finished this tumbler. I like to wait about 7 days to allow the glue and rhinestone to cure on top of the cup before washing it. I use a scrubbing brush and Dawn dish soap to wash it and dry it off with the paper towel. If I see any spots with paint, I will also use some acetone to remove the paints. Here is the tumbler outside in the sun after it has been cleaned. Now it is time to get this tumbler sent to the customer. I have these regional rate boxes that I got from the post office some years ago. I don't think they use the regional rate boxes anymore. I could be wrong. Leave a comment below if you know. But I just use a regular priority mail shipping label, and I will get my labels from pirateship.com. I will then wrap the tumbler in tissue paper and put it back in the original packaging. Then I will take my sticker I got from stickermule.com and use it to seal the tumbler. I'll add more tissue to the box and add my care instructions and business card that I got from Vistaprint, along with a thank you note to the customer. I got these cards from Michael's when they were on clearance. I'll seal the box with my packaging tape that I got from Sticker Mule and add these fragile sticker label, Happy Mail, and my website information with a QR code on the outside of the box. I use my thermal printer to print these out. I'll be sure to add a link of some of these images in the description box. that is it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below and I will respond back as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.